Hello students, hi, there is a Pallavi. So let's start with the lecture 5, and you can see we start accountancy with the chapter of goodwill. So what is goodwill? So goodwill is the value of benefit or advantage that a business has because of the factor that help in increasing its profit. I repeat again कि goodwill, first of all, goodwill is a asset. Which kind of asset is it? It's a intangible asset which cannot be touched and seen. We cannot see the goodwill because it is a value of benefit or advantage that a business has. Has means possession. Because the factor that help in increasing the profit. Goodwill is a factor that help the business to increase the profit. Say because of its location. Example, shop in a sector 17 has a more value or a favorable contract, access to suppliers and the customer loyalty. Example, I give you example. Showroom has in a sector 17 has a more value, like it has a worth of rupees 3 or 4 crore, but the same 3-story building in a Mohali of showroom, it doesn't worth anymore. That means it has a worth of rupees only 1 or 2 crore. Why the value of showroom in a sector 17 has a 3 or 4 crore value? Because of their location or access to supplier, because Chandigarh is a center. See, next, goodwill has two types. Number one is purchased goodwill and the second thing is self-generated goodwill. Purchased goodwill is what? Purchased goodwill means a goodwill for which a considered has been paid. Example, I give you example. I purchased a showroom in a sector 17 market or a bisector market which has a worth of rupees 4 crore. Of a 3-story building of showroom I purchased in a sector 22 market which has a worth of rupees 4 crore. But the same 3-story building, if I ask for a 3-story building in a Mohali, it has a worth of rupees like 2 crore or 2 crore. Why the value 2 crore is more in a 22 market? Because of their location. It means I paid 2 crore more. I paid 2 crore more for their goodwill, because if I started the business in a sector 22 market, then my sale is increased because it is the access to supplier, customer loyalty is there, and whenever outsider come here, so firstly he visit the Chandigarh, not a Mohali. So when I pay the 2 crore more, that means I paid 2 crore more for their goodwill. Second is self-generated goodwill. Self-generated goodwill is the goodwill that has been generated by the business. It means self-generated means you can see the self means ourselves. Generated means that the generated goodwill by business because of which is able to earn a higher profit. For example, I started the shop in 2001. Then now is 2020. The 20 years I spent in my shop and I create the goodwill. How is it? I give them a location. I give them a customer loyalty, right? So this is a 20-year-old shop, so which help in create a goodwill. So goodwill, purchased goodwill and the self-generate goodwill. I am not writing here, so you have to write, makes the note from this book. You can pause the video. I started with the method of goodwill. So there are three type of method. Average profit method, super profit method, and capitalization profit method. So average profit method has two methods. Number one is simple average profit method, and second is weighted average profit method. So the formula of simple average profit method, I just write the formula of goodwill. How we calculate the goodwill by from simple average profit method is goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchased. Here how we can calculate the average profit method? The sum total of number of years profit divided by their number. I tell you when we solve the formula. And here the formula of goodwill by weighted average profit method is equal to weighted average profit method, weighted average profit into number of year purchased. So here we first average profit method. Average profit method has two subdivision: simple average profit method and the weighted average profit method. Second method is super profit method. Super profit method has no any division. So its formula of calculating goodwill is super profit into number of year purchased. Then third is capitalization profit method. It has a two. One is capitalization of profit method has a two division. Number one is capitalization of super profit method and B is capitalization of average profit method. You can see under the capitalization profit method there is a two subdivision: capitalization of super profit method and capitalization of average profit method. And here the calculate of goodwill is super profit upon normal rate of return into 100. This is the method of calculating the goodwill. And under this method, goodwill is equal to capitalize value minus net asset. So till now I write the formulas of all the method. So revise again. So method of goodwill is average profit method, super profit method, and capitalization of profit method. Average profit method has a two division, that is simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. Of calculating the simple average profit method is equal to goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase, and weighted average profit is equal to goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of year purchase. And the second method is super profit method. By the super profit method, we calculate the goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase. And under a capitalization profit method, there is a two division, capitalization of super profit, and we calculate the goodwill by super profit upon normal rate of return. And capitalization of average profit method, goodwill is equal to capitalized value minus net asset. So for now I tell you the first method, average profit method. I divide these lecture into three parts by average profit, super profit, and the capitalization. So first method is average profit. So take a question. So let's start with the exercise. So goodwill is to be valued at 3 years of purchases of 4 year average profit, and profit of the last 4 years of the firm were 2010, 2011, 2012 and 2013. That is 4 years. 1, 2, 3, 4. First thing, here we write again and again number of year purchase. Here is also number of year purchase. Here is also number of year purchase. The number of year purchase is always given. Here is number of year purchase. 3 years of purchases of 4 year average profit. It means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 years. So how we calculate the average profit method? You can pause the video and read the question well. So by average profit method. So first we write the formula. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. And we know we have a given the number of year purchase, that is 3 year purchase. So we write here 3, and we have to calculate the average profit. So let's start with the working note. Calculation of average profit. How we calculate the average profit? The formula is profit of 2010, 11, 12 and 13. 2010 profit is 12,000, 18,000, 16,000 and 14,000. How many years there are? 1, 2, 3, 4. Divided by 4. So we add it all. 12,000, 18,000, 16,000 and 14,000. That is 60,000 divided by 4. Divided by 4 is 15,000. So average profit is 15,000. Now put it here. Average profit is 15,000. So goodwill is equal to 15,000 into 3, that is 45,000. So this is your answer, and this is your answer for 45,000. Let's start with the second question. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years of purchases of average profit of the preceding 5 years, which were as follow. So goodwill, you have to calculate the goodwill on the basis of 3 years of average, 3 years of purchases. So this is given on the basis of 5 year profit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see here is a profit of 8 lakh, 15 lakh, 18 lakh, but here is a loss of 4 lakh. So how we use it? Let's see. So you have to calculate the goodwill by average profit method. So you have to see first that. So formula of goodwill is goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. Now you see number of year purchase is given, that is 3. You have to calculate the average profit. So start with the working note. Calculation of average profit. So profit of 2014 is 8 lakh, 15 is 15 lakh of 2013, 2012 is 18 lakh and 2011 is loss of 4 lakh. So you have to write in a bracket, and 2010 is 13 lakh. Its bracket means it is a minus. So this is plus, 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 this minus and this plus. So we add it all. 8 lakh, 15 lakh, 18 lakh, minus 4 lakh, plus 13 lakh. It's 50 lakh. We doing again. I just confused. 8 lakh plus 15 lakh plus 18 lakh minus 4 lakh because it's a loss, minus 4 lakh plus 39. We were right actually. So it is a 50 lakh. So how we calculate the average profit? I just add it all. Remember, mean is also calculate this. So 50 lakh divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5. It's 10 lakh. And 10 lakh is the average profit, and put it here. So goodwill is equal to 10 lakh into 3, that is 30 So this is your answer. I hope you understand. If you not understand, you can repeat the video again. I'll give you the homework in a picture. Thanks.